Hi, Numa here again for you, this time with a product update. We have integrated 3 super cool new features into Superchat, and I will now quickly introduce each of them in this video within 1 minute. Enjoy, see you soon! The first feature is the command menu. When you are in the inbox, you can access the menu either by using the Ctrl-K key combination on Windows or CMD-K on Mac. Here you can now input all types of commands that will greatly simplify numerous operations for you. For instance, I am able to dispatch the appropriate template in a mere 3 seconds. You can also easily assign conversations, assign labels, or move conversations to mailboxes. Sometimes you might be a bit short on ideas when it comes to the text for your WhatsApp templates. Then you will definitely like the next feature. With the help of AI, you can now easily create WhatsApp templates. All you have to do is briefly describe how you imagine the template, and the rest happens automatically. You will then receive 3 suggestions from which you can choose your favorite. Once you have selected one of the 3 templates, you can customize it according to your preferences. And you're already done and ready to go. With bulk editing, we have made the process of editing contacts even easier and more efficient. Simply select up to 100 contacts in the contact overview. Then you can change your self-created attributes for all selected contacts simultaneously by clicking the button in the bottom right corner. Confirm quickly, your contacts will have received the new value as an attribute. So just a quick outro here. First and foremost, I wish you a lot of enjoyment while experimenting with the new features. We will now frequently convene for such updates, ensuring that you are consistently well informed about the latest developments and how you can derive advantages from them. In summary, I would like to express that you are always welcome to visit us on YouTube or join the Facebook community for more helpful material. And that's essentially all there is to it. I would like to say, see you in the next video. Take care and goodbye for now. Looking forward to connecting with you again soon.